Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato zucchini soup. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 2 medium zucchinis, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, a splash of olive oil, and fresh basil for that perfect finish. Salt and black pepper will season your delicious creation to taste. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and garlic, sautéing until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Next, toss in the diced tomatoes and zucchini, letting them cook for about 5 minutes to soften slightly. Finally, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Once your vegetables are tender, it's time to blend. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender. Blend until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy, or leave it a bit chunky if you prefer. Stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil, then taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. Your soup is almost ready. Your homemade tomato zucchini soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls, perhaps with a final drizzle of good olive oil. A few extra fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese make a lovely garnish. This soup is perfect as a light meal or a comforting starter. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.